I made this drink for my kids this morning and it ended up blowing up and I got asked how I made it, so let's make one together. First, we're gonna start out with some Jet Puff. This is just the marshmallow fluff. Take a butter knife, get you a good scoop on there, and just line the middle of the cup. And I have one good stripe. I went ahead and filled it with some ice. We're gonna take some Big Red and just fill up the cup with the Big Red. And then for the blue, I went ahead and took food dye. You don't have to use food dye. I just used it because that was the only blue that I had in my house. And then I took some coconut syrup. Just do 2 pumps of coconut. Then use some heavy cream. It's what makes it fluffy and creamy. And froth that up. Next, you just pour the lovely blue on the top for your red, white, and blue.